Famous sayings of Hazrat Ali ibn Talib. Imam Ali says, hearts of the people are like wild beasts. They attach themselves to those who love and train them. Imam Ali says, no mirror can reflect a picture of a human as best as his own attitude and the ways of speaking do. Imam Ali says, blessed is he whose own faults keep him from seeing the faults of others. Imam Ali says, do not be a slave to others when Allah has created you free. Imam Ali says, be patient, the sorrow will be replaced with joy and difficulty will be replaced with ease. Imam Ali says, life consists of 2 days, one for you and one against you. So when it's for you, don't be proud or reckless, and when it's against you, be patient, for both days are test for you. Imam Ali says, beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. Imam Ali says, the worth of a person is according to his courage. Imam Ali says, fear the sins that you commit in secret, because the witness of those sins is the judge himself. Imam Ali says, nothing hurts a good soul and a kind heart more than to live amongst people who cannot understand. Imam Ali says, be like a flower that gives it fragrance even to the hand that crushes it. Imam Ali says, there will come a time where nothing will be hidden except truth, and nothing will be revealed except falsehood. Imam Ali says, nothing in this world is worth your tears. Imam Ali says, don't develop friendship with the enemy of your friend. Otherwise, your friend will turn into an enemy. Imam Ali says, the best revenge is to improve yourself. Imam Ali says, free your heart from hate, for hate is a sickness. Imam Ali says, submission to Allah's will is the best companion. Wisdom is the noblest heritage. Theoretical and practical knowledge are those signs of distinction. Deep thinking will present clearest picture of every problem. Imam Ali says, remember that people are of two kinds. They are either your brothers in religion or your brothers in mankind. Imam Ali says, the moment you start arguing with an ignorant fool, you have already lost. Imam Ali says, the sign of faith is that you prefer truthfulness where it is to your own determinant over the lying where it is to your benefit. Imam Ali says, one who is given honor by Allah cannot be humiliated by any authority. Imam Ali says, don't disappoint the one whose hope lies in you. Imam Ali says, to make one good action succeed, another is the perfection of goodness. Imam Ali says, there is always enough light for the one who wishes to see.